Assalamu alaikum. Uh, we are going to give the call in this area. This is the spot. This is the spot. So this is village road. There's a shops here. Shops here. Lot of people come here. This is sitting area. And there's a road here. This is the spot. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. We are about to start the tube well project here. This is a road, you see, road. There's a road here. There's some shops here. There's a restaurant here, small restaurant, tea shop. There's a lot of people around here, and people comes here, pass by here, wayfarer. So on the side of the road, we're going to build this tube oil, and this will be a benefit from lots of people. See the people here, around here, they'll all get benefited from this one. See, we're going to do it this one here. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. They have prepared this area now. They just dig. Now they're going to start digging this area. Now they prepare everything now. Very soon they're going to start digging the. We just completed this tube oil. Just dig it, already done. Very nice, alhamdulillah. And after that, after 2-3 days, we'll make this area plastered and cemented. Yeah, okay. We are building another tube oil. This is just next to the highway. Today is the second phase of it. They already done dig the water line. There is the water line. Can you see this one? This pipe. This is the road. Shops. The road. Shops. We are not doing plastering today. So after complete the plastering, they put the signboard, inshallah. After that, when it's dried up, we're gonna put the tube oil, the well on the top of the above of the pipe, you know, in the middle. So after dried up, it will be ready for service, inshallah.
কি তো কোনো সমস্যা না কোনো সমস্যা না হ্যাঁ না কোনো টাকা পয়সা লাগবে না রাইতে টাকা দেবে আচ্ছা চলে গিয়া ওইটা ভাই ভাই তাহলে কারণ দিতেছিলাম এই আসো পানি ওঠে ভালো, হে কম। হ্যাঁ, পানি উঠতেছে, পানি তো ভালোই।
আচ্ছা
আছে,
জি
মোটামুটি নরমাল আছে, প্রেসার সেরকম লাগে না, পানিও ভালো আছে
আলহামদুলিল্লাহ।